Corsa Extreme Catback is one of the loudest exhaust setups you can get on your S550 Mustang GT, and here's why. Hey guys, welcome to Red50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I own a 2019 Mustang GT and make Mustang related content, as well as general automotive content. If you share the same passion for cars like me, please subscribe for future videos. So this weekend we've been blessed with some great weather, so I decided to take out my 2019 Mustang GT for a drive and got some exhaust footage. Those of you who don't know, I have Corsa Extreme active exhaust, and all the clips you'll see are in track mode, which is the loudest setting. Enjoy. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the exhaust clips. If you want to hear more, you can check out this Corsa Extreme playlist. Also, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to Red50 for more videos.